We are basically protesting against rape. Every week you see the news, there's rape everywhere. We need every individual to respect each other. Donati, as a mother, that's what the protest is all about. As a mother, আমরা মা, আমার সব স্টুডেন্টরা আমার মেয়ের মতো যে কোনো নারীর নিরাপত্তা দরকার। The society has to be safe. We have to change the fundamental rights of the fundamental way people আমরা শুনেছি আপনি জোর করেছেন এই আন্দোলন করার জন্য, এটা শোনা গেছে।
সবাই জোর করেছে বিকজ we are women and we want to protest against this. আর হ্যাঁ মানে like everybody we are also protesting.
You were out in the road wearing black dress. So what is the message that you want to convey in the dark that you walked?
And this is wrong. আর হ্যাঁ মানে this cannot go on and rape has to stop.
Do you feel also unsafe in the Kolkata?
I don't live in Calcutta, but hearing it happening here is it's my home city and ekhane hawa mane I can't even think of it. So it should stop and high time it should stop now.
What do you want to message to the protesting doctors? Because they are agitating their
and everybody should get justice. That's all I want to say. সবাই একসাথে মিলেই প্রোটেস্ট করছে, তো as long as we don't get justice we should